Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and check out this cookbook that I picked up yesterday at a used bookstore. I was very intrigued, and check out how the pages are dyed pink. Love it. Sweet and Vicious, Baking with Attitude by Libby Summers. It's from Rizzoli. I'm not sure why she's holding a knife, but I find it hilarious, and I have not opened this yet because I wanted to enjoy it with you. Okay, frosting, Sweet and Vicious, Baking with Attitude, photography by Chia Chong. Okay, let's find out what this is all about. What is the point of this? Ooh, it's super colorful. Wow. Introduction. Here's the chapters: cakes, sweet breads and pastries, savory breads, pies, cookies, canine goods, secret weapons, ooh, conversion chart about the author and her team. I might have to flip forward to that and see what is going on with her. For Joshua, you make my world a sweeter and sweatier place to be. Don't want to know. TMI. This cookbook is based on a true story, it says. I'm not going to spoil it, so you would have to read all this yourself because I don't want to ruin it for you. But I'm very curious what's up with all the... Oh. Okay, cakes. How to frost a layer cake. Good and Plenty cupcakes. Salty pumpkin spice cake. Not getting the Sweet and Vicious theme yet. I'm confused, but if I'd read the introduction, I might have figured that out. Here's an upside down skillet corn cake, but there's no picture of it. Meh. I found an apology baked in the form of a cake is always accepted, says the author. Oh, pretty. Girly girl lavender cake. Okay. I should skip out of cakes because I don't want to show them all to you. There's one here called No Hasselhoff cake, and one called Hot and Heavy Baby Cakes with Kiss Me Frosting. Ooh. Going to move out of the cake chapter. Cupcakes. Okay. Solid gold beet cupcakes. I have had a beet cake before. It was fine. Yeah, this is made with yellow beets and candied ginger. Not going to be on the top of my list of things to do. Hog Heaven chocolate cake with a hog made out of, I assume, marzipan? Not sure. Frosting? I don't know. Bridge and Tunnel cheesecake. Okay. A lemon head cake. This is very odd. I'm really not sure what's going on. I thought I was getting out of cakes. Here is Chocolate Maniac Fire Bread. Not sure what makes it fiery. I'm guessing pepper, applesauce, brown sugar, cinnamon, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda. Oh, raspberry smoked salty butter? No, a little smoky. Okay. Hot spiced donut holes. That sounds good on a wintry day. Brioche. Eyes wide shut bread. Not sure what behind that. Here's a chapter on savory breads. Ooh, 1 potato, 2 potato rolls. Yum. And looks like Parker House rolls. Yeah. Okay. Meatball muffins. Okay. Campfire bread. I would totally make that. Kickin' cornbread. I always like new cornbread recipes because you can put lots of stuff in there. Pretzel bread. Ooh, now you're talking. I'm starting to like this cookbook now. Pretzel brats. Forgiveness naan. Not sure why you need to forgive someone with naan. Okay. I'm going to keep moving out of the breads into pie dough. Postcoital pie. TMI. Hey, that rhymes. Fig and pig pies for one. I'm all into pies for one, then I don't have to share it. Wascally Wabbit pot pie. Uh-oh, is there a rabbit in it? Yep. Okay. A stoned tart. Get it? Stone fruit. I think someone was stoned when they wrote this. Possibly. Prager's pink pickle pie. Sweet and sour cherry pie with a picture. I'm not sure what's happening. Must be the author. Cookie chapter. Side slap and tickle cookies. Jacked up ginger cookies. Somebody has a sense of humor. Backhanded compliment cookies. I'm skipping ahead so that you can still enjoy some of this book yourself. Primal cut cookies. Now that's clever. I'm glad I saw that page. Retired gingerbread working girls. Okay, the farther I go, the goofier it's getting. Wow, that was Sweet and Vicious Baking with Attitude. If anyone happens to be watching this that has already owned this, what do you think of it? Do you use it? Did you give it as a gag gift? Definitely you didn't get bored while you were looking through it. Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.